Are you tired of seeing your organization struggle to reach its goals? Despite having a clear mission and vision, do you feel overwhelmed by day-to-day tasks and wish you had a roadmap to guide your decisions? Is your organization operating without a concrete plan, leaving team members confused about the future direction? Ever wondered why some institutions thrive while others barely survive? Do you want to learn how successful leaders ensure long-term growth and sustainability? Welcome to Latest Trends in Education. I'm Dr. Lara, and today we're diving into a critical topic: what is a strategic plan? I'll break down the essentials, help you understand its significance, and show you how to create one that propels your organization forward. Let's get started. A strategic school plan is a comprehensive document that outlines the long-term goals, priorities, and actions for a school to achieve its mission and vision. It serves as a roadmap for the school's development over a set period, typically 3 to 5 years, and guides decision-making, resource allocation, and policy implementation. Key components of a strategic school plan: mission and vision statements. Mission: the core purpose of the school, reflecting its fundamental values and guiding principles. Vision: a forward-looking statement that describes what the school aspires to achieve in the future. Strategic goals: broad objectives that the school aims to accomplish over the plan's duration. These goals are often related to student achievement, curriculum development, staff professional development, community engagement, and school culture. Action plans: detailed steps and initiatives that will be taken to achieve each strategic goal. This includes timelines, responsible parties, and specific tasks. Performance indicators: metrics and benchmarks that will be used to measure progress toward the strategic goals. These indicators help monitor the effectiveness of the plan and guide adjustments as needed. Stakeholder involvement: the process by which the school involves various stakeholders, teachers, students, parents, community members, and board members, in the development and implementation of the plan. Their input and engagement are crucial for the plan's success. Is resource allocation: a plan for how the school will allocate its financial, human, and physical resources to support the strategic goals. This includes budgeting, staffing, and resource management, evaluation, and review. A system for regularly assessing the progress of the plan, identifying successes and areas for improvement, and making necessary adjustments. This ensures that the plan remains relevant and effective over time. Purpose of a strategic school plan: direction and focus. It provides a clear direction for the school's growth and development, helping to align efforts across all areas of the school. Accountability: by setting clear goals and performance indicators, the plan holds the school accountable for its progress and outcomes. Improvement: it fosters a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging the school to constantly assess and refine its practices to better serve students. Stakeholder engagement: it involves the entire school community in a collaborative effort to achieve shared goals, fostering a sense of ownership and commitment. Overall, a strategic school plan is a critical tool for ensuring that a school remains focused on its long-term objectives, adapts to changing circumstances, and continues to provide high-quality education to its students. That wraps up our deep dive into strategic planning. I hope you found this video insightful and are now equipped with the tools and knowledge to start crafting your own strategic plan. Remember, having a clear strategy is not just about setting goals, it's about creating a sustainable path for long-term success. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Latest Trends in Education,